Hello to the Event Tickets with Ticket Scanner plugin for WooCommerce and WordPress. In this video, I'm going to show you how you could do tests with the new Ticket Designer. With the new Ticket Designer, you are able to change the layout and inspect if the layout fits for you before you're going to use it on your production environment. So let's jump to the Ticket Designer. We are here in the options area of the plugin, and jumping to the Ticket Designer, you have the object names, and I'm working already to have a real designer that helps you to choose the right objects within this space. This is the production environment. If you want to reset it, just delete it. It will be used then from the default. And this is the testing area. So this is our template code from the Twig library. And I'm using Twig because it's simple to learn, it's really powerful, and it fits best for now in this plugin. So if you need help, just go to the Twig documentation page, and it's very straightforward. You can find the link also here. If you just click on this, you will see the Twig homepage document, and we are using the library 3. So how to change now the layout? You can adjust the size here, of course, through, and you can enter some code elements directly to this. This small dashes, basically it's a command to say remove the white space. It's not really needed here because I have already the spaceless feature activated, but then it's easier for you if you want to adjust this and don't use this. Okay, let's open a ticket. So for this, just choose a ticket where we know all the elements are in there that you would love to see. Let's open this one, scroll down, and then you can click basically on the test mode link. This is for the page, for the PDF, and this is for the page. The same template is used for the page and for the PDF. Just the PDF is a little bit manipulated right before the PDF is generated. And the PDF library can execute HTML, but not all the HTML tags are supported. So be careful and test this upfront before you. So we are clicking here on this link, and I prepared this already here. This is the normal view, and this is now the test view. So we are going to change this on the test. So let's jump to this. We are on the test, correct, and this is the title. And it's coming from the options object. Let me show you again the objects. These are the objects that are available. For now, you don't see immediately what's behind of this. Let's go through them once I change the tag, just to demonstrate this really fast. This is the prod, and this is okay. So let's now change the value. This is anyway only for the website, not for the PDF. So let's maybe get rid of the name just as an example. Let me cut this out, going to the ticket, reloading, and then the title is missing. Of course, you can manipulate this again. Let's re-add this here for the testing. So for the objects, you have the double curly brackets introducing basically a variable output. This is the object that is injected into this template engine, and then you have the dot, and this separates then the function or the property name. In this case, this is a WooCommerce product. If you look up the WooCommerce product, you will see there's a function name called getName, and this will be automatically called by the Twig template engine. This is very convenient because I'm just loading the product in the background and injecting this to this template here, so you have all the available functionalities that are coming from the product itself, in this case getName. Then the output is piped into the escape function to make sure that we are not destroying the layout. We are removing with the escape function all the HTML elements that might be in the name of the product. And that's basically how it works. Let's go to the object itself. You have the product. This is a WooCommerce product, and the product parent. The product parent is also a WooCommerce product, and the product parent and the product are exactly the same if you're not using variant products. Otherwise, With Simply products, it's the same. With variant, it's different because some elements are taken from the parent and some elements from the variant. Then we have the options. The options is the object that contains all the available options you will see here, and basically you just copy paste this one here. There is already a curly bracket, but you need to use it in the Twig library. So just copy this and then you will get the value that's behind this. Sorry. Then we have the ticket. This is the ticket object. Then we have the order. The order is the WooCommerce order object. Look up developer WooCommerce order object. You will see all the functionality that are available and you can use them in your library. The order item is exactly the order item that is used for this ticket, and it's also WooCommerce order item. Then we have the code object. The code object is the full object of the ticket and contains several options that are visible on the export file. The ticket here is not all the functionalities are visible on the export file, but I'm hope that I can add them really fast also here, that you can copy paste them. We have the meta object visible again in the export file. The meta object contains all the meta information to the ticket. The code object is basically the ticket object, and the meta object is part of this code object, and they are separated for convenience reason. The ticket is a special one that contains executed values for the ticket. Then we have the list object, the full list object exported. You can take a look what properties are in there. The name is there and so on, of course. The desk for description. And you have also the meta object for your list object. Then you have a variable is called variant. If you want to know should I go with product or product parent, and then you can use this variable. There's a variable with true or false, a boolean value for PDF output or not. And the system will set this variable once it goes to the PDF engine. And of course, you can also inspect, are we running within the scanner or not? I don't recommend to use it anymore. The chance is really high that I'm going to remove it in the future version because the scanner and the PDF generators are and they're not connected together anymore. Also, the PDF view is not directly connected to the ticket scanner anymore. Great. And that's it. And I hope this is finally what you were looking for, your layout. And you can also add some properties that are available within the order. Let's take a look for the product. Get name, we discussed already. It's a function basically. And for the order, is the order somewhere used? It's here. Get payment method title as an example. And then this is a function. And if you're not sure which functions are available and so on, there are many websites out there that are demonstrating how to use the object from WooCommerce. And one that I like the most is from Business Bloomer. You have the product and also the order, and you see all the access methods. These are methods from the order object. Just copy paste this, and the notation is a little bit different. You have to do order in all uppercase, dot, and then just copy paste this information, get total refunded, and it will be displayed within the engine. What you should do, I strongly recommend this, if you just use this, it's a little bit difficult to see, but if you just use this, I would always recommend escape it. Run it through the pipe and escape it. In this case, you can even escape it to the WordPress through the WordPress functions. I expose them directly to this Twig library so you can use them. Otherwise, if you go with escape, you also save. It removes the HTML content. Great, I hope you enjoy this, and finally you have what you wanted.